Hey friends, so we all know that feeling. You wake up with a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, or just the overall, uh-oh, I'm getting sick vibe. And what do? Panic, hit the pharmacy, load up on meds? Nah, I've got you covered today with some doctor-approved home remedies to get you feeling better, fast, without even stepping foot in a pharmacy.
Let's dive right into the good stuff. Here are some super simple, natural remedies that might just be your new best friend the next time you get hit with a cold or flu. And hey, make sure to stick around for my bonus immune-boosting recipe at the end.
Chapter 1. Top doctor-approved home remedies.
Okay, first up, honey and ginger tea. I know it sounds like a no-brainer, but this combo is actually a powerhouse.
Honey is like nature's antibiotic. It's loaded with antimicrobial properties that can help soothe your sore throat, calm that annoying cough, and even fight off infection. Plus, it's super comforting, especially when you're feeling miserable.
And then there's ginger. It's not just for spicing up your stir-fry. Ginger is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce pain and swelling, not to mention settle your stomach if you're feeling queasy. It's like a personal bodyguard for your insides. Make this your go-to during cold and flu season. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day and you'll feel the difference. It'll help with everything from sore throats to tummy troubles. Plus, it's warm and cozy. What's not to love?
Next up, we've got elderberry syrup. You've probably heard about elderberry popping up everywhere lately, and for good reason. Studies show that elderberry can actually reduce the duration and severity of flu symptoms. It's not just a fun supplement, it's a legit immune booster.
Elderberry works almost like an antiviral, helping your immune system fight off those nasty bugs quicker. You can take it in syrup form, but it also comes in gummies or capsules if you prefer those over the liquid version.
So, how do you use it? The usual adult dosage is about 15 milliliters of syrup 4 times a day for about 5 days. But if you're just using it to support your immune system, you can take 1 to 2 teaspoons, about 5 to 10 milliliters daily. Always check the label on the bottle for the right dosage, and when in doubt, talk to your doctor.
Elderberry is definitely one of my must-haves for flu season. It's natural, effective, and easy to find in most stores.
All right, hydration is key when you're feeling under the weather. Water, herbal teas, broths, these all help keep your throat moist, loosen mucus, and honestly, just make you feel better. And if you want to kick it up a notch, add some lemon or a splash of apple cider vinegar for an extra boost. Hydrating helps your body fight off the infection faster. Trust me, your body will thank you.
Okay, this one's the hardest for most of us to do, but it's probably the most important rest. I know it's hard to just shut down and take a nap when you have a million things to do. But listen, your body needs time to recover, and sleep is when your immune system goes to work. So go ahead and snuggle up with your blanket and hit the pillow for at least 7 to 9 hours.
Seriously, give your body that time to rest and recover. Skipping out on sleep can actually make things worse and drag your recovery time on longer. So make it a priority to sleep as much as you can while you're sick.
Last on our list today, zinc. I know this one's not as exciting, but trust me, it's effective. Zinc has been shown to shorten the length of a cold, especially if you take it within the first 24 hours of symptoms.
Zinc lozenges are great because they coat your throat and release the zinc slowly, providing that extra boost to your immune system. I always have a bottle of these on hand during cold season.
Dosage and administration.
Take 1 lozenge every 2 to 3 hours while awake. Average daily usage, 6.2 to 9.9 lozenges.
Proper use.
Take with neutral food to reduce stomach upset. Wait 15 minutes after use before eating or drinking.
It's a small but mighty weapon to help fight off that cold, and they taste way better than the cold medicine I remember as a kid.
Chapter 2. Myth busting. What doesn't work? All right, let's clear up some myths while we're at it, because we've all heard those crazy cold remedies that just don't work.
Like steam inhalation? Yeah, not so much. Studies show it doesn't actually treat the cold, although it might feel nice for a few minutes.
Or how about antibiotics? Guys, colds are caused by viruses, not bacteria, so antibiotics won't help, and using them unnecessarily can cause more harm than good.
Let's not even get into the whole vitamin C megadose thing. Sticking to the daily recommended amount is your best bet.
Chapter 3. Quick DIY immune-boosting tonic recipe. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's make a quick immune-boosting tonic that's as easy as it is effective. Grab a mug and let's get started.
You're going to need 1 cup of hot water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 inch of fresh grated ginger, juice from 1 lemon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Optional, but it adds a nice kick.
Combine it all together, give it a good stir, and sip slowly while it's warm for 10 minutes. This tonic combines honey, ginger, and vitamin C from the lemon to help support your immune system and soothe your symptoms. Seriously, it's like a hug in a mug, and your body will love it.
Chapter 4. When to see a doctor. Okay, so those are my go-to doctor-approved home remedies to help you feel better fast. Remember, while these remedies can ease your symptoms and give your immune system a boost, if you're not feeling better after a few days, or if things get worse, don't hesitate to call your doctor.
And hey, before you go, if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Drop a comment with your favorite cold remedy, and make sure to subscribe for more health hacks.
Stay healthy, stay cozy, and I'll catch you in the next one.